F L Y.
Fly. Going. Over. Fly. Gobble is going to happily fly over Monster Village.
D E L I C I O U S.
Delicious. Delicious. Eating. Gulpy is eating the delicious ice cream sundae.
W O O D E N.
Wooden. Wooden. House. Crunchy loves the wooden house he built.
Y U M M Y.
Yummy. Happy. Yummy. The monsters are happy to eat the yummy ice cream.
S H I N Y.
Shiny. Wonderful. Clean. Shiny. Wonderful! The dishes are so clean and shiny now.
F U N.
Fun. Fun. The monsters are having a lot of fun in the amusement park.